Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So finally Nokia announced their mid-range smartphone Nokia 5.4 with a Snapdragon 662. Nokia continued its foray into the mid-range segment with the Nokia 5.4. It's the latest affordable entry powered by the Snapdragon 662 quad cameras and a 4000 mAh battery. The Nokia 5.4 has a 6.39-inch IPS LCD with a HD plus resolution and a punch hole cutout for its 16 megapixel camera. The back feature is circular cutout for the 48 megapixel primary camera, which sits next to 5 megapixel ultra wide snapper and 2 megapixel sensor for macro shoots and deep data. There is a capacitive fingerprint scanner below the camera sensor. The Snapdragon 662 is paired with a 4 gigs of RAM as a standard and 64 and 128 gigabytes of storage, which is further expandable via the micro SD card slot. The phone is shipped with Android 10 Through an update to Android 11 is already in the work. The 4000 mAh battery charge over USB Type-C at 10-watt speed. The Nokia 5.4 come in a purple and a blue color and will retail for $189 in Europe. It's coming to more markets including another markets Northern and South America, Middle East and Africa, as well as Asian market as well. So this is the latest news about the latest Nokia 5.4. The Nokia 5.4 has a 181 grams and it has a dual SIMs with IPS LCD 6.39 inch and the screen to body ratio is 81.9% and it has a 269 ppi density by 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, 720 by 1560 pixel, and it's come octa-core 2.0 gigahertz with a carrier 260 gold and a silver, and it's come with a GPU Adreno 610, and it's come with a fingerprint and accelerometer, gyro and proximity, 4000 mAh battery, 10-watt charging, and it's available in a two color about 189 euro. So this is the latest Nokia 5.4. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this phone, and also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.